Hello everyone, I'm Deborah Fit550. Guys, I've got a question for you. Are you loving the skin that you're in? Well, if the answer to that question is no, not so much, or if the answer is, yeah, I like my skin, but it could be better, well, today's recipe, you guys, will take you to, I absolutely love my skin. I love how soft, supple, and moisturized it is. I love the glow on my skin. Thank you guys so much for joining me. That's what today's recipe that I'm going to show you will do for your skin. I mentioned before that life does not look the same as it did in our 20s, 30s, and 40s, you guys, but who's to say that it still can't be fabulous, and that is including our skin. As we mature in age as early as in our 20s, the moisture content, the hydration content, the collagen, which is that glue that holds it all together and keeps our skin tight and lifted. All of those things, you guys, start to deplenish again as early as our 20s. So we have to do what we can, okay, to nourish our skins as best that we can. And all of the ingredients that I put in my head to toe body butter do exactly that. So if you want to learn how to make this body butter so that you can also love the skin that you're in, well, stay with me, you guys, and I will show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, so laid out in front of me are all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using today to make my luxurious, moisturizing, conditioning, head-to-toe body butter. Let's start with the shea butter. Shea butter gets absorbed quickly into the skin as it melts at body temperature. It is rich in fats that make it an excellent emollient and skin moisturizing agent. Shea butter is often used in moisturizers, creams, lotions, and other emulsions for the skin and hair. Mango butter is known to boost skin's luster and natural radiance while reducing the appearance of dark spots. Mango butter is packed with beneficial vitamins, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging properties, which makes it an effective soothing agent for the skin. Mango butter nourishes skin and boosts its elasticity, and it will restore and maintain moisture levels by boosting cell regeneration. This emulsifying wax is used to stabilize the mixture and will assist in binding the ingredients together to prevent them from separating. Okay, everyone, now that this, what I'm calling the liquid gold, has melted, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that help prevent aging and damage to our skin and hair. In addition to its anti-aging and skin healing abilities, it also stimulates the production of collagen. Now that I've shown you the main ingredients in this butter, you can add other oils and essential oils of your choosing or leave the recipe just as it is. All right, everyone, this is out of the freezer and it is just solid. It is a good consistency to go ahead and whip this up. But before I do that, I like to add a little bit of arrowroot powder. And what this does is it knocks down some of the oiliness of this butter. It's totally optional for you, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this to it, and then we are going to whip up this butter. All right, everyone, this is smooth, it's creamy, it's light, and it's airy. And now it's time to put it in the container. Give it a try. And when you do, please let everybody know just how luxurious this butter is. And another thing that I wanted to let you guys know too, okay, you can make it your own kind of special by putting in whatever essential oil fragrances that you like, whether it be lemongrass or lavender or vanilla, you guys. So I encourage you to do that as well. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, please to share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so very much. Remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys.